Maayong adlaw, this is J Perpetual Kid at tara, let's explore Siquijor. For today's video, tayo'y magtampisaw dito sa Cambugahay Falls. Ito ay matatagpuan a few kilometers away from Lazi Church and Convent. Bago makapasok, we need to pay 20 pesos each for environmental fee. Then bababa ng 130 steps going down to the waterfalls. Cambugahay Falls is a 3-tiered waterfalls, kaya aakyat tayo sa pinakatuktok because it's safer for those who don't know how to swim like me. Dahil hanggang dibdib lang naman yung lalim sa natural pool. Pwede ring sumakay sa bamboo raft and pay 20 pesos each. Hire the services of a human drone videographer and give any amount as donation. He'll take amazing videos and pictures from different parts of the falls. For daredevils out there, pwede ring mag-Tarzan swing sa first level ng falls. I don't know nga lang kung magkano ang bayad kasi di ko naman sinubukan. Again, this is J Perpetual Kid here in Cambugahay Falls in Lazi, Siquijor. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo-ayo!